I swear, good morning, Nigerians, and afternoon, evening, depending on where any Nigerian will be watching and listening to me from. I swear by God, the condition of this country. I just finished meeting with notable young leaders, a particular political party. Now, you will understand that this government, this political party called APC, is just from pit of hell. How on earth would somebody with a president of a country like Nigeria at this point in time be talking about borrowing billions of dollars upon all the billions of dollars this APC since 2015 have been borrowing without anything to show for them? What manner of country is this? Who did we offend? Why can't Nigerians rise up against this government? I think the best thing would is that there is no point asking Nigerians. There is the only revolution, the only attack, the only thing that will happen will be at the polls. But let us see how this APC will rig this election again. Let us see what will give APC the impetus and say they want to rig in 2027. And this is why I implore all Nigerians, especially the young people, young Nigerians, to come out en masse and support whatever means legitimate, whatever credible means, whatever constitutional means through which this APC and Bola Tinubu will be removed from office in 2027. I swear by God, I just finished meeting with some of my political young leaders now, and I just can't afford. I can't just imagine the level of frustration. How do you expect a young person that doesn't have food to eat not to take to crime? How would you expect a Nigerian young person who has finished school, graduated from university, there is no job for him or her to do? Why wouldn't the lady involved in prostitution? I don't understand. I do not get it. How we got here. It is quite unfortunate that this country at this point in time, this President Bola Tinubu is talking about borrowing money both from international, both external and from internal. Does it make sense? Look at young people. Like I said earlier, I just finished meeting with young political leaders of my party right now. And guess what? We have crossed the Rubicon of just getting involved or trying to be lured into committing crimes and all of that. But it's our duty at this point to advise our friends, our even mates, the younger ones, not to think of taking to crime, because crime does not pay. Otherwise, the manner at which this present APC Bola Tinubu government is pushing people, revolution would have started on its own. I swear by God, this country is the harshest place to live. This country, I said, the little money I had on me, I had to share. I had to give. And I'm ready to give, even though it will take me removing my clothes to give anybody to be fine. As long as you are a young Nigerian and you mean well and you're not a criminal. It is alarming. God, please, save Nigeria now. If human beings cannot save us, if it will take God removing this country from this planet, then bring another country here. Let us have peace. Since APC and Bola Tinubu, they have resolved that Nigerians will not have peace. Nigerians will not have food. And yet they are borrowing on daily basis in billions and in trillions. May God not allow 2027 be hijacked by APC and Bola Tinubu. In Jesus' name.